Daphne, whose shoes do you have on? Are those mommy's? Careful. Careful. Oh, you are so sassy. Be careful, please. Daphne, can you say darling? Hello, darling. Close enough. Daphne, we now have to wash 2 containers. Listen, little Miss Hoochie Mama, in your high heels. Bum ding. Ding. Nice shoes. Show me your shoes. Where'd you find these? Whose shoes are those?
Mommy's.
Yeah, they're 2 different kinds too. Did they hurt your feet? Because they hurt mine when I wear them. Let's see. Oh, cute. Can't stand the sass. Oh boy, we're gonna have our hands full.